Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can easily install Bed Wars on your PC. So the first thing that you want to do is click on the link down below in the description, and when you're going to do it, you'll get right here to Ldplayer 9. So when you're going to click on the link, you'll get here and click here download Ldplayer. Now when you're going to click on download Ldplayer, then you'll click here on how you can actually install it. So I created a video on it on how you can install Ldplayer, and right now you just have to choose where you want to install it, install, and now it's going to download for you. And when you're gonna have it, you're gonna choose the system applications, and then you're good to go. So I'll be an Ldplayer now here. I'll go to System Apps, Play Store, and I will write here Bed Wars. So I'll click Bed Wars, and I see the Garena Bed Wars here. Or like Bed Wars 2. And you're gonna choose this. And just install it. Right, I have the Garena Bed Wars here. So you're just gonna press install and you're good to go. And it's how you do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and that's pretty much it. Have a great day and goodbye.